You are tuning in to Reboot Awareness, Reprogramming, your strategic hypnotic programming for unshakable confidence. For the most powerful, permanent results, commit to listening to this audio daily for at least 21 days. Ensure your environment is completely free of distractions. And remember, never listen to this session while driving or operating machinery. Hypnotic Alpha Session. This will be a hypnotic session to build your self-confidence. And if you're ready to go into trance, just mentally say to yourself, I agree. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and take a deep breath and exhale it very slowly through your mouth and relax. Now, using your imagination, I would like you to close your eyes and realize that I cannot do this for you. You have to do this for yourself. But if you follow my instructions, you will reprogram your mind and have unlimited confidence to make a lot of money. Now go ahead and close your eyes and take another deep breath. If you focus on my voice over the next few minutes, you will not only feel amazing, but you will begin this journey that allows you to reprogram your subconscious mind for success. Take one more deep breath, letting it out slowly, and going deeper and deeper with every breath you take. With every word I speak, you go deeper in the trance. That's right, all the way down, all the way deep. So keeping your eyes closed now, I want you to use your imagination, and I want you to imagine that your eyelids are so heavy and so relaxed, that just for a little while, they begin to feel stuck. And when you've imagined that your eyelids are so heavy and so relaxed, not yet, but I will want you to test it out. Now, realize if you imagine that you can open your eyes instead of being stuck, of course, they will open. Try to open them now. Perfect. And just relax and let go. Let go all the way down, all the way deep, completing, letting go of all worry or fear. Any tension in your body, your chest, your arms, your legs, or your mind. Just let it all go. 10. Beginning to relax, letting go of the day, letting go of the week, letting go of anything that is not needed right now. 9. Feeling a wave of relaxation moving down from your head, through your neck, through your shoulders, releasing tension you didn't even know you were holding. 8. Deeper now, your breath becoming slower, more rhythmic, more natural. 7. Feeling your chest soften, your belly soften, your hips soften. 6. Deeper and deeper, floating in a state of calm awareness. 5. Halfway there, your mind becoming still, your body becoming heavy, your awareness becoming light. 4. Sinking deeper into the alpha state, where healing happens, where creation happens, where everything falls into place. 3. Almost there, feeling safe, feeling held, feeling free. 2. Fully immersed in the alpha frequency, receptive, open, peaceful. 1. You are now in a deep alpha state. Your subconscious mind is fully receptive. Your conscious mind is resting. And your awareness is open to the infinite intelligence that knows exactly how to bring everything into alignment. You find yourself in a hallway. Imagine that ahead of you there is a door, a quantum door. Open the door and step through it. Inside, there is your doppelganger, and he is there to grant your wishes or your desires. It is now time to set your goal. Consider for a moment what it is that you truly want. Your doppelganger now knows what you want by transmission. Now repeat after me the first time, and then 5 more times with me. Everything I desire is on its way to me. I am open to receive with gratitude and trust. Everything I desire is on its way to me. I am open to receive with gratitude and trust. Everything I desire is on its way to me. I am open to receive with gratitude and trust. Everything I desire is on its way to me. I am open to receive with gratitude and trust. Everything I desire is on its way to me. I am open to receive with gratitude and trust. Everything I desire is on its way to me. I am open to receive with gratitude and trust. Perfect. You have completed the creation process and your order is approved. It is already done. Be on the lookout for the order to be filled in the next few days. Now take a deep breath and repeat it and feel grateful. Thank you for the abundance that is already mine. Thank you. It is done. In a moment, I'll count from 1 to 5. At 5, you'll awaken feeling refreshed, clear, confident, peaceful, knowing it is done. 1. Locking in this beautiful transformation. 2. Feeling gratitude filling your heart. 3. Feeling compassion for yourself after waiting so long. 4. Energy returning to your body, ready with excitement to begin this new start, feeling refreshed, centered, alive. 5. Eyes open, wide awake, feeling wonderful and confident. Thank you. It is done. Welcome back.